Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to prepare native jollof rice. I'll be using native rice for this recipe. Continue watching to find out how I make this delicious native jollof rice. To make this native jollof rice, I'll be using local Nigerian rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice. I'll be washing the rice to remove any dirty or dust. Because I'm using the native rice, I'll be washing it several times until the water is clean. Washing the rice, I will allow it to drain out the excess water. I will add the rice into a pot. I'll be using hot water to cook the rice. The hot water will quicken the cooking process. I will parboil the rice for about 5 minutes. While the rice is parboiling, I will cut the red bell pepper into smaller pieces for easy blending. When cutting, I'll add into the blender, cut the onion, slice some onion and set aside. Then I'll blend, not too smooth. After about 5 minutes of parboiling the rice, I will turn off the heat and run some cold water on the rice and drain out the excess water and set aside. Then into a preheated pot, I'll be adding some palm oil. I'll allow it to heat for about 2 minutes, not bleaching the oil. I've already washed my fish, sliced my onions, so I'm going to add some onion into the oil and allow it to fry for about a minute or two. At this stage, you can add the locust bean, but I don't have locust beans, so I'll continue cooking. After about 2 minutes of frying the onion, I'll be adding the blended mixed bell peppers and onion and continue frying. While it's frying, I'll be adding stock cube. Properly, I'll be adding the washed dried fish and the cow skin. I will season with salt, stir everything together and allow it to fry for like 2 minutes. While the sauce is frying, I'll be adding crayfish. This is native jollof rice. Crayfish will help to bring out the native taste of this rice. We'll stir and allow it to fry for like a minute. I'll be adding some water that I'll be using to cook the rice. Feel free to use any meat stock that you have. While adding the water, I will cover the pot and allow it to simmer. Shrimps, feel free to add dry shrimps or prawn. This is optional, but it gives this native rice a special taste. You can try it. Then I'll add the parboiled rice. Mix everything together and allow to cook. I'll be using frozen scent leaf for this. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. When I notice that the liquid in the rice has reduced and the rice has softened, I'll be adding the scent leaf, stir together, cover and allow to steam. 3 or 4 minutes, I will turn off the heat. Finally, the native jollof rice is ready. I will turn off the heat. In fact, this native jollof rice tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe and thank you all for watching.